The outrageous decision by the ICC prosecutor, Karim Khan, to seek arrest warrants against the democratically elected leaders of Israel is a moral outrage of historic proportions. It will cast...
Perdana Menteri Israel Benjamin Netanyahu mengecam pengadilan kriminal internasional atau ICC yang berusaha menangkap dirinya. Menurut Netanyahu, surat perintah penangkapan yang diajukan jaksa ICC tidak masuk akal dan menjadi bukti gerakan antisemit. Dalam pernyataan resminya pada Senin 20 Mei, Netanyahu tidak sudi jika dirinya dibandingkan dengan Hamas. Diketahui dalam pengajuan jaksa ICC, para petinggi Hamas juga diusulkan ditangkap. Alasannya karena Hamas dianggap bertanggung jawab atas dugaan pembunuhan, kekerasan seksual, dan penyiksaan sandera. Sementara Perdana Menteri Israel dan Menteri Pertahanan dianggap bertanggung jawab atas kejahatan perang di Gaza. Bagi Netanyahu, tuduhan semacam itu semestinya tidak pantas dibandingkan, sebab ia mengklaim tindakan militer Israel di Gaza adalah untuk membela diri. Tak hanya Netanyahu, para pejabat dan politisi Israel lainnya juga marah atas pengajuan surat penangkapan oleh jaksa ICC. Menteri Luar Negeri Israel bahkan sudah mengeluarkan perintah untuk melawan pengadilan yang bermarkas di Belanda tersebut.
The outrageous decision by the ICC prosecutor, Karim Khan, to seek arrest warrants against the democratically elected leaders of Israel is a moral outrage of historic proportions. It will cast an everlasting mark of shame on the international court. Israel is waging a just war against Hamas, a genocidal terrorist organization that perpetrated the worst attack on the Jewish people since the Holocaust. Hamas massacred 1,200 Jews, raped Jewish women, burned Jewish babies, took hundreds hostage. Now, in the face of these horrors, Mr. Khan creates a twisted and false moral equivalence between the leaders of Israel and the henchmen of Hamas. This is like creating a moral equivalence after September 11th between President Bush and Osama bin Laden, or during World War II between FDR and Hitler. What a travesty of justice, what a disgrace. The prosecutor's absurd charges against me and Israel's defense minister are merely an attempt to deny Israel the basic right of self-defense. And I assure you of one thing, this attempt will utterly fail. 80 years ago, the Jewish people were totally defenseless against our enemies. Those days are over. Now the Jewish people have a state, and we have an army to defend our state.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.